Hi everyone! In today's video, I want to make something small, sweet, and handmade. It's an easy project that doesn't take much time, but feels so special when it's finished. Let's make it together. First, draw a heart inside a 4x4-inch square and cut out 2 pieces. If you'd like a little extra detail, you could also cut a slightly smaller heart out of felt, about 3/4 of an inch smaller. This step is totally optional, but it adds a little padding. Place the felt heart on the right side of one heart panel and gently sew around it. Next, place the 2 heart pieces right sides together. Sew all the way around, leaving about a 1.5-inch opening so we can turn it later. Carefully clip around the curved edges. Just be sure not to cut into the stitching. Turn it inside out through the opening. Close the opening with hand stitching. And for the final touch, top stitch all around the edge to give it clean finished look. I also made a slightly bigger version in a 6x6 inches size. Now for something a little more romantic. Prepare the same 2 4x4 heart panels and the small felt heart just like before. Sew the felt heart onto one panel. Then take a sheer fabric and cut a long strip, about 1.5 inches wide. You're going to create soft ruffles. Set your sewing machine to the longest stitch length and a stitch width of 0. Fold the strip in half lengthwise and sew along it with 1/4 inch seam allowances. Gently pull one of the threads to create gathers, adjusting until the ruffles are evenly distributed. Place the ruffle around the edge of the heart panel with the seam allowances facing outward. And slowly sew it in place. Overlap the ends neatly to finish. Remove the gathering stitches. Now place the 2 heart panels right sides together again and sew around the edge, leaving a small opening for turning. Sew slightly inside a previous stitch line so everything looks clean when flipped. Clip around the curves. Turn it inside out. And hand stitch the opening closed. For a softer look, I also made a 6 by 6 inch version and fill it with the stuffing to create a sweet little heart cushion. And with a tiny 3 by 3 inch heart, I made a small keychain charm. Thank you for watching.